Ikaw? Ikaw lang pala yun?
Yeah, well, I would be disappointed if you're expecting someone else.
Ano, nagpapaka-phantom ka lang ba? Kaya kung saan-saan ka na lang sumusulpot?
Alam mo, buti nga hinahanap pa kita eh. Magpasalamat ka kay Mang Simon dahil siya nag-remind sa akin na, well, maraming ahas dito.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ow!
Here.
No! I'm okay. I can manage.
This is an exercise in futility. Unang-una, nasa akin yung susi ng yate. And second of all, sira yun yate.
Ow.
And third, I doubt if you can even find it. Now that you have the keys, I doubt na mahanap mo yun yate. Yup, umikot-ikot ka lang.
Oh, what are you doing? Put me down! Ayoko sa
Stop being a brat!
Bring me home to my
One
mom!
more word, ipapagsak na kita dito.
You're such a
Sige.
jerk! Put me down! Shh! Brother! Lulubuhin mo ba ako?
Ma'am, huwag kayong mag-alala. Alam na alam po ni Sir yung ginagawa niya. Madalas huyang mapilayan ng bata.
Mang Simon ang ituro sa akin yan. Tara, kain na tayo.
Hindi ako gutom.
Aba, ikang